What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BIGYSNBABY, and I'm back for another video, man. Hey, man, today we got that boy Flight in this bitch. We got Bird of Larry. Anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Let's check this video out. Cool, Jag, okay.
She like the way I pull up in that yours. Yeah, they call me Flight, I'm on a jet with a bird. Poop so fast, fuck around and hit it.
This beat is hard. Okay, for one, and for two, the edits are fire. Oh my god, okay, Flight. Drip chick. See you with the matching sweatsuit.
She like the way I pull up in that yours. Yeah, they call me Flight, I'm on a jet with a bird. Poop so fast, fuck around and hit a curve. All I do is ball with the green Larry Bird. Birkin purse, she just wanna surf and turf. I cut her credit card off, now she on life alert. Fuck her.
Ooh, okay, Flight. I cut her credit card off. Now she on life alert? What?
I cut her credit card off, now she on life alert. Fuck around and cut a check if I like the word. How the fuck she got a Prada purse if her lights don't work? That shit gotta hurt.
How she got a Prada purse but her lights don't work? Okay, Flight.
Shit, if I like the word, how the fuck she got a Prada purse if her lights don't work? That shit gotta hurt. Nigga, when I'm rapping, better listen, pay attention. Nigga, I'm a legend, you gon' motherfucking miss it. Nigga, don't act up like you something if you flexing. $1 million nigga, I can teach you as a lesson. Nigga, quit the hating cause your bitch think I'm a blessing. Nigga, who the best? Raise your hand, answer question. Got this bitch.
Okay, Flight. Okay, nigga, raise your hand, question, answer. Tell him, talk your shit.
Nigga, quit the hating cause your bitch think I'm a blessing. Nigga, who the best? Raise your hand, answer question. Got this bitch stressing, got her on me right now. Niggas always talking, now I hear a nigga pipe down. Hold it, nigga, cause I've been really rocking Nike. Bitch suck the dick, got her drinking like a icy. Nigga with a side piece, doing wifey grimy. We is
No. What did he just say?
I don't hear a nigga pipe down. Hold it, nigga, cause I've been really rocking Nike. Bitch suck the dick, got her drinking like a icy. Nigga with a side piece, doing
Nigga with a side piece, no. Speaking on Drea,
wifey grimy.
doing wifey grimy. What?
Nigga with a side piece, doing wifey grimy. We is not a match, I'm a Leo, use Aquarius. Now if you
Did he just admit that he just, like, he don't fuck? Like, what? Huh? That shit crazy.
Nike. Bitch suck the dick, got her drinking like a icy. Nigga with a side piece, doing wifey grimy. We is not a match, I'm a Leo, use Aquarius. Now if you really think I'm dissing, yes I am.
But Big Leo game in this bitch. Big Leo, you know what I'm saying? Me and Flight got a lot of shit in common. Big Leo gang and
doing wifey grimy. We is not a match, I'm a Leo, use Aquarius. Now if you really think I'm dissing, yes I am. They gon' play this back a couple times until the end. Running on this beat like I'm playing for the Rams. Oh hot damn, this my motherfucking jam. Balenciaga shoes with the off-white tee. I don't want the bitch unless she rich like me. If she suck dick, feel like it's no tea. Just because you know my name doesn't mean you know me. She like the way I pull up in that yours. Yeah, they call me Flight, I'm on a jet with a bird. Poop so fast, fuck around and hit a curve. All I do is ball with the green Larry Bird.
Hey. And that's it for Flight, Bird of Larry. This is actually a good song, man. He got some sneak disses in there. I don't know who he is. I think he was dissing his girl that he with now. But I can't understand how you gonna diss somebody you literally sleep in the bed with. You know what I'm saying? But hey, that's Flight for you, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and